never opened a cork like this, so you guys are gonna witness this foolery happening. And I'm just gonna try to ply these out. The second wine that we're gonna be tasting, I've actually never tasted one before, but I've studied a lot about it. Like whenever we learned about tank method sparkling wines in our sommelier class, Lambrusco was definitely one that they mentioned. Today we have a Coletto Chiarli, I'm probably botching that, Lambrusco. Apparently this is a very good producer. Lambrusco is the name of the grape, and then on here it says Grappa Rossa, and that is a variety of Lambrusco. It's more intense and has more tannins. So Lambrusco is part of Emilia Romagna. Emilia Romagna is where the city Bologna is. That in Italian means the fat one. So they're home to Parmigiano Reggiano, prosciutto di Parma, balsamic vinegar, like all like the things that you think about of Italy, it's from there. Now this is the first time I've seen this type of like cork thing. So this is like metal, but like it's much thicker than a normal wire. I didn't really think this through. I was just gonna be like, this would be so funny to try to open this while I'm filming. And then I didn't really realize like this could be really, really difficult. Oh, it's in there. It's in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to like bring some tools. I'll be right back. Okay, I brought some tools. I don't know how the best way to show you guys. And I'm just gonna try to ply these out. Oh, I got it. I got one. I think that's all I need. Wow. This is a new adventure.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I am sweating. Look, it's like almost off, but it won't come off. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. There had to have been a better way. I am sweating. That was so hard. Okay. Let us, yes. You weren't expecting that, were you, though? You weren't expecting that, right? What was that? That was a screwdriver. So this is Lambrusco. It is a red wine, sparkling wine. And so the Prosecco is a spumante, and spumante means sparkling in Italian. And Lambrusco is a frizzante, which it means fizzy. And it is made also via the tank method or Charmat process. It is pretty purpley. I guess I thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter. So this was $14. A lot of like more basic Lambruscos apparently are sweet, but good ones should be pretty dry and savory. So Lambrusco is not very common in the US. I feel like people don't really talk about it, but apparently in some countries it's like top 5 Italian wine imports. So in other parts of the world, this is very popular. It kind of smells like grape juice on the nose. This is not that sweet. It's very dry. Yeah, it's like a sparkle. It's like a fizzy grape juice. This is also a drink that they have after work, happy hour, very refreshing drink. It's meant to be drunk young as well. I can tell though that if I drink this a lot, my lips and my tongue are gonna be purple. I can already tell. Took a little break because my camera needed charging. But as you can see, my lips are a little bit more purple. All right, as I was waiting for my camera to charge, you know, real life stuff. Ooh, I almost said a bad word. I was sipping on this, kind of really taking it in, and it kind of warmed up. And I will say, it is more savory. And someone else put it like this, and I want to say this in the best way possible. They said that this is a very like purple drink. I kind of want to agree with them. I feel like purple drink is not very respectful, but you know, purple's sexy. Purple is like deep, and I guess with this variety of Lambrusco, it is like more savory, more intense, and I do get like the little bit more tannins in it. And there's like a little bit of like a spice, but it's rich. This is a very rich drink. Purple drink, they also say that with like Beaujolais, and I'm really not a huge fan of Beaujolais, but this I can get behind. I really do. But the thing is, like, this is my first Lambrusco, so I don't know what the other Lambruscos taste like, especially the different varieties. Like, one's a little bit more floral, another one is, I forget what it was, but apparently there's different styles. But I really do like this one, and I think because it's richer, it could go with like a lot of things in the region, right? What grows together goes together. Remember that from my principles of a wine tasting. If you guys have not watched that, please check that out. They said like sausage from the area goes really well with this, and I totally see that. I feel like this can go with so many things. It has a good amount of structure, acid, and some tannins, and it has like a nice like base layer of like fruity flavor, but with some like savory spice too. I think that's what makes this so tasty. I think more and more you'll see Lambruscos around the US, especially like better, smaller producers as they get more international fame. So be on the lookout for this. It's actually very tasty. But wow, this is like my first time trying it. So I'll be on the lookout of more Lambruscos like this. Hopefully it's not as hard as to open as you guys all saw. Man, that was probably one of the hardest bottles of wine I've had to open, and you guys got to witness it. Thank you guys for joining, and I hope you guys learned a lot about sparkling wines, that there's a variety out there, different styles, from different countries, from different methods. I hope you guys learned that there's a sparkling wine for every occasion at different price points, and so please be sure to grab a bottle and enjoy.